Mastering 3D animation will take you on a journey through the Mecanim tools in the Unity game engine, complete with over 40 step-by-step videos, tutorials, assets, and essential theory. Hi, I'm Dr. Penny DeBale, Professor of Games and Interactive Multimedia at Bond University, Australia. I've worked with Unity since its inception, creating games and writing best-selling educational texts. With over 20 years' experience in teaching programming, animation, computer graphics, and artificial intelligence, I've structured this course to take you from novice to expert with Unity's Mecanim system in no time. By the end of this course, you will have gained the essential practical hands-on skills required to create your own baked and dynamic animations in Unity. This course covers all the fundamental components of the physics and Mecanim system, beginning with exercises in creating keyframes, curves, and animation state machines. This is followed by tutorials for developing dynamic content that is triggered by character movement and user input. You will also learn how to work with external third-party animated models created with Maya, Blender, 3ds Max, or Mixamo. If you are a seasoned animator who wants to get your creations set up for games, or a keen Unity developer looking for a better understanding of animation, then this course is for you.